Hey everybody, I wanted to show you what I found in learning A to Z as far as vocabulary study. So from Clever, you go to learning A to Z, and then you can go to vocabulary A to Z, and you can do a new lesson where you make your own lesson or pre-made lessons. So I created one where, let me see, I say that now. Let's just say, for example, you want to create a vocabulary lesson over deserts. And then you want these vocabulary words to be assigned. So you click assign. And what's great about this is that you can choose phonics, spelling, or vocabulary. So let's say I'm just going to do all three. And then you choose your students. I'm going to do all of my students, and I'm going to click assign. Now, what's amazing is that it automatically creates games for them, and it will have, for example, a word counter or a final sound speller, or for example, let's say vocabulary. It will give them automatically flashcards and word search and phonics test me or even a spelling test. It's all done for you. And then it will also create quizzes for them as well. So that is an amazing feature that you can have to have more practice for the vocabulary or spelling that you want for them.